Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to erase part of a layer mask in Photoshop. Let's get started. See this image, and I already selected this and create a layer mask. Then click the brush tool and use black for to use eraser and use white not eraser. Okay. Then click and selection part of I select part of this layer. Again click brush tool and apply black or remove eraser. Eraser. Right click opacity 100% or 50% as you wish. I use example 50%. Right click use hardness or without hardness. I use hardness. Press enter. Then see this remove your ear. It is part of a layer mask. Press Ctrl Ace. Press Ctrl D. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.